Hi guys, welcome back with me, Mas Sabu saja. Warm wishes to all of you. Here we are going to fry Tahu Krispi. Let's go! Tofu in Sumedang was initiated in 1917 by immigrants from China who came directly to Sumedang through the port of Cirebon. This crunchy and distinctive snack food originating from China has become Sumedang's signature food and icon. This tofu is only 10,000 rupiah and here I cut it into 2 pieces each. Please subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss the next information. The forerunner of this tofu was brought by an immigrant from China named Untung, who came to Java via the port of Cirebon in the early 1900s. Untung was indeed the one who pioneered the tofu business in Sumedang, but it was Ong Bung King, his son, who made tofu Sumedang so famous. And for the liquid batter, mix well 100 g of rice flour, 200 g of coconut milk, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. It was told that in the past, tofu was only food eaten by the Chinese, and occasionally the local resident tasted it. Tofu is usually made when there is a meal with fellow Chinese people, until finally he tried to sell it. Once upon a time, young Ong Bung Keng was working to process tofu to sell it in the Tegal Kalong area, or now Jalan 11 April. It so happened that dalam Sumedang Pangeran Surya Atmaja, who was going to Situ Raja, passed him. Then pour gradually 300 ml of water into the mixture and stir it until no clumps. The regent of Sumedang, known as the Prince of Mecca, passed in front of Ong Bung Keng's tofu stall on a horse-drawn carriage. Season the tofu with the liquid batter and is ready to fry them. Pangeran Surya Atmaja was interested in a treat at the Bungkeng stall and stopped by to taste the fried tofu made by Bungkeng, which was considered a new food at the time. By then, Bungkeng's tofu was thriving very well and known widely in Sumedang. Heat up the oil and fry the tofu over a medium flame. Great-grandson Suryadi said, from the story of his father and grandfather Ong Bung Keng, around the 1950s, Tahu Sumedang was growing and many people like it. And his factory, Tahu Bung Keng, itself has gained popularity and even more since its early modern management in the 1970s. He claims that tofu Sumedang is very unique and difficult for other regions to imitate it. And tofu Sumedang is made with a composition of 70% of water. Wait until the tofu floating and yellowish in color, then pour all the liquid batter. Tofu Sumedang, which was pioneered by Bung Keng in 1917, is now the hallmark of Sumedang. Currently, there are more than 400 tofu entrepreneurs who employ hundreds or even thousands of people. Not only those who process the tofu, but also those who fry and sell them to the tofu traders in small roadside stalls and to hawkers on the buses. Keep stirring the tofu until the batter sticks onto the tofu. During Lebaran, more than 2 million pieces of tofu Sumedang can be sold every day. Wow, amazing! Meanwhile, the price of tofu sumedang varies from 500 to 600 per piece, and the turnover is almost 1 billion per day. Here, the total frying time is 40 minutes. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share, and smash that subscribe button. And also switch the bell on to notify you whenever I upload new videos. See ya!